customer complaint. They're getting that HC error code, so we're gonna let it run and see if we get the code. Alright, so what we got is a shorted out heating element assembly. As you can see, hopefully you can see it. Yeah. So when we test this right quick, let me get that right. That's right, but this is not right. I'm touching it to the canister. So, add heating element. Alright, so we got the new one in, and you see, that's good. And you see it's not rounded out anymore. So we're good to go. And I'm gonna change this out just cause it had the HE error code, but it was the shorted heating element. And then the ohms were a little different on this one as well.